Hey ladies, how are you doing out here? Been a little bit, and I have a wig review for you. Yeah, I griped and griped about Santander being discontinued, and it has, and it was like a year it was out. It wasn't even that long, and I found another style that I thought might be better, or not better, but this. Hang on just a minute. Might be okay. All right, I'll get it right in a minute. Or might be okay. And yeah, I was leery of it because it said something about the bang length. I thought, that seems like it's a little short. Well, it's not really that bad. It's pretty good. So I've got my Santander. This is Toledo, I guess. It's supposed to be a Spanish city, so it wouldn't be pronounced Toledo like Toledo in Ohio. But that's okay. Toledo, whatever you want to call it. This is what this is. And this is in a Milkshake Blonde R. I like crushed almond blonde R. I have a Santander of both crushed almond and milkshake. But honestly, I think I'm preferring milkshake now. It's interesting. The roots don't seem to be as contrasty. If you want to, you know me, I don't like a root, but I come stuck with one because nobody has a clue that not everybody dyed their hair and has root regrowth, but you know how that is. I'm pounding on the same soapbox, and I'm going to stop that right now. I have my Santander in the same color. But I want to show you Toledo in the same, in this Milkshake Blonde R. This is a left monopart, and it is a lace front. And even though it has bangs, it has a lace front. If you want to pull them off your face, nobody's going to know the wiser. And they're both short styles, they're both layered styles. There is a difference, but the bang on this one is listed as 3 to 3.5. It's kind of a half an inch is a big. Where I read it, it was 3.5. That's kind of a big difference, but I thought it'd be too short, and they're not. And the nape is 2 1/4. Now, they're very similar wigs. If you wanted Santander and you can't find it anymore because it's out of stock, or they've discontinued it, take a look at this one. Let me grab Santander and I will show you. Okay, same color, very similar styles. Santander here has got very choppy back, okay? This has one too, but let me show you. Okay. See? They're very similar. I do believe that Toledo has slightly longer layers. This is a lot more choppy, I think. But if you look at them overall, there's not a lot of difference. If you like this one, now I think the bangs on Santander were slightly longer than this. Take that into consideration. If you have a very high forehead, these may be a little skimpy on you. But I was willing to go ahead and try it, and I like it. I actually love it. So let me do this again. Let me show you this. Of course, this is Milkshake Blonde R. It's kind of a neutral blonde, in my opinion. You know me, I don't like the roots, but there you go. Nice lace front. You can pull this back if you want to. You can put it. What I did before I came out here, I took it and I shook it upside down and put it on my head and kind of tangled little flyaways, and that's how I came out here. This is definitely a throw and go wig. Now, because the bangs are not quite as long as on Santander, you may have slightly less leeway in pulling them back. I don't know. It depends on how it fits you, right? This fits me just fine. And yeah, so I really like this. Of course, it's the same heat-friendly fiber. Same. Low density, definitely low density. No permatease. Both of them are the same thing. Same way. So I guess that if they have two of these out, they're just slightly different. They may decide to discontinue one because the other was so similar. And it very much is similar. It's very, very pretty. Very pretty color. There's some sandy blonde in here. And I don't have the color description out here. But yeah, so Santander has been my favorite. And now, this one may be. I like them both. But like I said, I do prefer, I was surprised at this, I do prefer the Milkshake Blonde R over the Crushed Almond Blonde. The Crushed Almond Blonde has less dimension than the Milkshake. And even though it looks dark under this overhang, these roots are really, they're supposed to be at 8, but they're really well blended. They don't come out as stark. It comes out a little bit more stark on the crushed almond, I think, because there's such a difference in the body of the wig, the color of the body of the wig, and the root. And the root's supposed to be the same on both, but this one is less noticeable when I wear it than the other. So anyway, I like it. I think it's a great alternative if you were thinking about Santander and it's out of stock now. And I checked. As far as I can tell, Toledo has not been discontinued. I would probably get another one. So, same color. I do like this color. Color is just really, really pretty. Color is just super pretty. See? And I do think the layers are longer on this one. They're not as textured as Santander. So, and this is, you know, ear tucker. It's a great ear tucker. You can take the bangs up and over. You can put them down. There's a lot of leeway and a lot of variety you can do with this wig. And if you wanted to, you can slick it back. You can, you know, take it and shake it and then throw it on your head. It's really super cute. So I hope this helps. And yeah, Santander and Toledo, very kind of sister styles there, even the same brand. So take care, everybody. Oh, by the way, the Cold Brew Chic and Roca Margarita Blonde is still, nobody's claimed it yet, so it's still around. I may actually, I was thinking about maybe selling my crushed almond blonde in Santander, but I don't know. I'm on the fence about that one. So hope everybody's doing well. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.